Components are the building blocks of integrations and are the most commonly used feature. This includes the process themselves, connections, operations, maps, profiles, and plenty others. Components promote reusability, most notably with connections, utility functions, and common process flows, where you can define and maintain the configuration in one location, but reference it from several others. Components can be referenced in a number of different processes or components. So when you need to make a change, you can make it once instead of replicating it multiple times. That allows us to be more efficient. It's important to understand components are often created within the context of a process, but they exist and are maintained independently of a process, with respect to their location and the ability to be searched and saved with their own respective revision history. Configuration is by reference. So if two processes reference the same map and you change the map in one process, the other process is affected by the change because they're both pointing to the common component. If you remove a component from a process, it still exists in the Component Explorer. It's not deleted. So even if the reference is broken, the actual component itself still exists. Here is a short list of components: a process, connector, profile, a map, and user-defined function. You can think of a Boomi process as a hierarchy of objects, separately edited and versioned. And when you run a process in test mode, you always use the latest version of the process, its attributes, and all sub-objects. All of these examples of sub-objects are components: maps, profiles, connections, operations, functions, and non-dynamic process properties. These each have a unique component ID and can be versioned independently. Boomi is designed so that you can reuse numerous components. This reduces duplication of effort, shares useful functions and features, and allows you to manage common functions in one place. Additionally, you must reuse connections to effectively use your Atomsphere licenses. Some components to consider for reuse include connections, user-defined functions, processes, cross-reference components, and process properties. Boomi Atomsphere licensing is per connection. One license per connection per atom deployed to two separate deployed connection objects to the same endpoint requires 2 licenses. So it's essential to keep control of your connection components and ensure reuse by all processes that will be deployed. A recommended best practice is to enforce folder security on folders that contain shared components. Here are some guidelines for reusing connections. Maintain a single copy of each connection object to be deployed. Keep these in a common folder. You might name it #connections and store that under the root folder. Any process reference to a connection will use these connections. Do not store credential information on the connection. Instead, use extension values and set them at the environment level. Set credential information on connections to dummy values. Finally, immediately delete duplicates created by any deep copy operations. An important part of managing common components is the ability to see where the component is used. The Show Where Used feature shows all references of a component using a filter in the Component Explorer panel. And to find where a component is being used or referenced, click on the action arrow next to the component and click Show Where Used. The Show Where Used feature is essentially a filter that gets applied to the Component Explorer. The results will display that this profile is being used in a map and in a process.